Hi, I'm Asa with OEL, and today is a really cool day because we are talking about the OEL women's line. One thing that we knew right off the jump was, I am not a woman. I don't necessarily know what the needs of a woman are when it comes to clothing, so we thought the best thing that we could possibly do was go find someone that knows exactly what they need. So that is Annie.
Hi, I'm Annie Blows, and I'm leveraging my 14 years of experience at the Gap and J. Crew and other companies like that to really bring a women's touch to the OEL line and create some standards and incorporate some details that really accomplish what we want to do with the women's line, which is empower women in the field to feel confident, know that they're safe, and really feel comfortable in the garments that they're wearing. So I'd like to show you our first style. This is our women's jacket. We're really excited about this. We combine a bunch of different details to really optimize the fit. Let me show you the back. We created this yoke right here so that the woman has a lot of space in her shoulder to wear without interfering with the length of her jacket. Let me turn back around. Then we incorporated the hook and loop on the front of the bib. We kept the cargo pocket on the bib so that she always has her tools available to her. And then we have this hemlock detail on the interior of the pant, so women that are petite and have other inseams issues can really figure out their best fit. On the back of the bib, we incorporated this elastic waistband detail that really works well with the hook and loop to create a great waist shape for the wearer, so she always feels comfortable no matter what size she is.
And obviously with the GTX line too, and all of the OEL products, men and women, you're gonna have the FR bib straps and buckles on it as well. This jacket too has the 27 cuts in the shoulders and in the elbows, so you're gonna get that full range of motion, that freedom of movement that we always brag about. The pants, or the bibs, extended leg slits on both sides. The knee, same thing, 27 cuts in there, so you're gonna be able to get that full range of motion. You've got a hook and loop closure on the bottom too, so you can put that knee pad in there, and that's just as good as it gets.
I'm really excited to show you our next style, the coverall. This one really took the most challenge to get right because it covers your entire body. Let's start with the back. We incorporated the same yoke that we use in the jacket so that the wearer has extra space in her shoulder without getting in the way of her ease in the back. We also added these two pleats in the back for ease when she's working in the field. On the back of this jumpsuit, we incorporated this extra waistband detail so that any woman, no matter what shape or size, can make those adjustments so that they feel comfortable while they're wearing this outfit. It really coordinates really well with the hook and loop so that you can make those adjustments on the fly. We also created the hemlock detail on the hem so that any woman, whether or not they're petite or want a shorter inseam, can make that adjustment for themselves.
That is an intro to the OEL Women's Arc Flash line. It has been an incredible process to just work with Annie and really understand more about what the female clothing line represents. I think what's really been fun and exciting about this is watching how much of the female clothing line that has moved and helped us migrate stuff into the men's line that's really improved and enhanced performance of our safety gear. So it's been an incredible process. If you guys have any questions, go to oelsales.com. We're happy to answer anything for you. We're gonna have our women's line on there as well. You guys have a wonderful day. Be safe.